Okay, I wanted to make a video about this guy I had an experience with. He was an African. His name was Buju, and I wanted to say that this guy, he was so mean. It wasn't even a joke. He was so mean. It wasn't a joke. I never did anything to his African ass. This African motherfucker was so fucking mean. It wasn't even a joke. I didn't do shit to his ass. I never did shit to his ass. Nobody ever did shit to his ass. He would be the one that would start the problems. I'm gonna give you a couple situations I was in with him. I remember one time I had bought McDonald's, because this was when I was staying at a clubhouse. I had bought McDonald's, and this other guy who was a client, he gave me money to buy McDonald's. I had went and bought McDonald's. This African motherfucker actually went inside the McDonald's, and he actually was gonna tell me like he's my dad and shit, like he actually knows me. That's why I have images of African dictators, because this is exactly what this African motherfucker was. This African motherfucker was a dictator, because he fucking went around and he fucking thinged. He would try to dictate people's life. He was like whatchamacallit. He was very liberal, because the state I live in is very liberal, but he was a very liberal African. But I'll get on that later. Like, meanwhile, back to what I was saying, I was in the McDonald's, and he actually went and told me, oh, you need to get out. You need to get out of the McDonald's. You're not supposed to be eating McDonald's. Because this was around the time when I was diagnosed with diabetes. He's acting like he's an instant expert on fucking diabetes. Even the white guy knew what diabetes was, when his slow African ass didn't know what the fuck diabetes was. This motherfucker Buju, he acted like he was an instant expert in diabetes. Oh, you're not supposed to be eating McDonald's. I eat McDonald's all the time, because you know why it doesn't affect me? I eat McDonald's all the time when I'm a diabetic, because I don't actually exercise. I don't do full-length exercise, but at least I keep active. I walk around. I do all that stuff. I walk around the house. Even now while I'm recording this, I'm walking around. I don't just sit on my ass all day like that fat fuck who actually gave me the money to go and buy the McDonald's for his fat ass. He never gave me. He never whatchamacallit. I actually paid it with all my money, but I gave him his money back. But the thing is that he never got off his ass and wanted to do anything. But that's another subject. So I'm in the McDonald's. I get my food. I get my McDonald's. I'm expecting to be able to eat my food in the car. This motherfucker would not even let me eat the food in the car. He wouldn't let me eat the food in the car. He wouldn't let me do anything. Like I just raped his mother or some shit. He wouldn't let me eat the food in the car because I was on my way to therapy. And then after that, he was like, I'm not going to let you eat it in the car. I'm not going to let you eat it in the car. And that day, I had to take the McDonald's and actually microwave it, which you're not supposed to do with McDonald's. Everybody who eats McDonald's knows you can't go and microwave McDonald's food. I remember another time too. I had a pizza that I bought from the grocery store, and he's like, "Oh, why don't you just eat some of the pizza and put it in the microwave? I mean, not in the microwave. Why don't you eat some of the pizza and put it in the refrigerator?" Is he retarded? Because everybody who eats pizza from the fucking grocery store knows you can't fucking put that pizza in the refrigerator, because it won't go bad, but it just won't taste right. He's so stupid, it's not even a joke. He thinks he's so smart and everything because he knows calculus and shit. He thinks he's better because he knows calculus. He thinks he's better than everybody. I don't know calculus too, because the major I'm going in, I'm going to have to do calculus. But other than that, I also wanted to mention another time. It was on a Sunday. He had he had said, oh, well, you guys can go to the library and all that stuff. And then we're like, yeah. And the thing is that I went with him. This motherfucker only let me stay at the library for half an hour. Motherfuckers be going to the library for at least an hour and a half, sometimes 2 hours, because I had no computer back then. Well, I had a computer at my house, but at this house, I had no access to a computer. So this motherfucker's gonna act like, oh, you need to go to the library for half an hour. Like he's so busy and stuff. And another client was so pissed off with his ass, he just didn't go. I was the only one that ended up going. I also wanted to mention another time. This is another time. There's this guy, this client. He threw a table at this guy because we had woken up and all that stuff, and he was gonna force the other client to go outside, and he was gonna leave him outside. So the other client was so pissed off with him, he actually threw a table at his ass. And once he threw the table, he didn't hit him or anything, but he threw the table at his ass. And then after that, he got arrested and all that stuff and kicked out the house. But you know what, this African motherfucker showed up to court, because this guy told me later he showed up to court in a fake thing that holds your arm, a fake arm cast, something like that. He came to court with a fake arm cast, acting like he was all injured and shit. And after that he came he went and he sat behind the guy like he knows him and shit. This guy, he thinks he's above everybody. He thinks, and he would always, it's true, there's a lot of racism out there, but he would always talk about racism and all that stuff. He would always complain about white people and shit. And whatchamacallit, yeah. And there was another period where he was just being mean to me. This guy Bujun was being mean as fuck to me. It was for like 2 or 3 days. He was being mean as fuck to me, giving me a fucking attitude and shit, like I did shit to his African ass. What the fuck? I didn't do shit to his ass. He's acting mean. I remember I had the meds once, and he was like, oh, we don't got all night long. We don't got all night long. What the fuck? I didn't do shit to your bitch ass. Why the fuck are you jumping around acting like you're in a hurry and shit? You know you're not gonna do shit. If you know calculus so much, why the fuck didn't you get an engineering job then? Instead of that bullshit job. The reason he said he got that job is because he wants to help people and shit. Go get a fucking engineering job, because that's the only thing that you use calculus for. The mental health field, you don't barely use calculus for the mental health field. I don't know what the fuck his problem was. I don't even like this fucking guy personally. And finally, I want to mention that no, not finally, but yeah, like I said, he was a militant liberal. He was very liberal in his views. Also, he had said, oh, well, everybody deserves rights, even gay people and all that stuff. Not that I care that gay people get rights or not. I don't care if they get rights, but I'm not against their rights. I'm neutral on their rights. And I also wanted to finally mention, I was in the car once, and I had said that my doctor was a foreigner, and then he's like, oh, do you have something against foreigners? This African motherfucker thinks that all the non-African foreigners love his fucking African ass, when his African ass knows he fucking done dealt with racism from foreigners. So why is this African motherfucker jumping around acting like whatchamacallit? Why is he jumping around acting like, oh, everybody loves Africa? Nobody fucking loves Africa. Africa's a piece of shit continent. Everybody knows Africa is a shitty continent. They never did shit over there. So I don't know what the fuck is the big deal that he has to jump around acting like all the foreigners are together and shit. He acts like all the foreigners are together. All the foreigners love each other. There's like a NAACP, but for the foreigners. No, foreigners hate each other. I done dealt with racism with fucking foreigners. They're some of the biggest racists in the world. That's all I wanted to say about this African Bujun, and I'll have some more upcoming videos under this account.